Hi everyone, welcome to the Dollar Tree. Let's see what they have, guys. Okay, so here we have some grosgrain ribbon and the sheer ribbon. Let's see. So we still have some summer ribbon over here, and these are the unicorn. And we have these. Now they brought the raffia out in the fall colors, and then here we have the bling wrap and the blue, the gold, and the pink, and there's some more sheets. So here we have the small shells. Oh, look how pretty. I like this ribbon. So these are the lemons, and these are like the farmhouse. Okay. All right. So here we have the dry flowers. I guess they brought them back. I don't know, they didn't really put them out. They just have the box on the floor here. Okay, then we have all of the floral stuff to make arrangements. So here are the little bales, the straw bales. And then along the bottom we have the planters and this wall decor. So here it says, don't quit your daydream. Life is meant to be lived, and adventure is calling. Okay. So they brought some more of these out. And they have the treat fund, savings for hair, nails, and shoes. Okay. Then we have some canvas art here. And then we have the moss.